Hello every guy, there it is. Hello everyone. I welcome you to VTOL VR. I'm playing VTOL VR, yes, that is correct. On my Oculus Quest 2, as you do. So, let's get into it. I do have the, hang on, 17 hours of flight time. That is ridiculous. Yes, I do have this DLC. So, let's go multiplayer and, yeah. This might be fun. Let's just do... Are there seriously... There it is. Free flight air show. We're gonna have to mute everyone, of course, but... You get the gist. I don't think this is gonna be a cut video, except for just the beginning there. But, yeah. This is honestly gonna be fun, because I'm actually recording now, instead of just not recording, so. And guys, I will try and mute everyone as fast as I can, so, yeah. Yeah, turn that down. Hotel 1-1 is what we will be today. Dang it, I can't put anything on it, that's fine. Yeah, mute as fast as you can. Mute. Okay. We're good. Now, I welcome you to the cockpit of the helicopter. It's great, isn't it? Anyway. Oh, crap, I didn't grab a stick. So, what I do is I like to troll people, so I just fly circles around them. And that's what we'll be doing today. Hello, how are you, my friend? I don't consider myself to be that good of a pilot because I'm not. So, just so you guys know, you're not dealing with the best here. But yeah, since this is such a small server, I guess there's not going to be many people here. But there were no air show ones just sitting there, so. Oh crap, we're good. Here's my autopilot over here if I really want to use it, which I don't. Let's go do stunts in the city. That sounds fun. Landing gear up. And let's become the professional. As you do. Statistics. There, now you guys have something to see right there. Shut up. Shut up.
Altitude.
Shut up.
Altitude.
I don't care.
Altitude. Altitude. Altitude.
Ooh.
Altitude.
I almost couldn't say that one. Do you guys know why? Oh. It looks like I've got myself a co-pilot. I hope this co-pilot doesn't cuss us, so I have to cut my video. Alright. How you doing, co-pilot? Welcome to the video. Oh yes, thank you. I needed some fresh air. I farted. airspeed there.
Altitude.
Ooh, that was close. A little close for comfort. I'll put the landing gear down just to bounce off the buildings. So that's always fun. When you're sitting in your apartment and you just see a helicopter bounce off your window. Oh no. Well, I guess that's the end of that flight. Flight's canceled today. And guys, in the comments, do not make any jokes. I know what jokes you're gonna make. Do not make them. That will get you banned from YouTube. Don't make. Bop ahead, bop ahead, bop ahead. Run! Ah, crap. You guys want to see if I can fly inverted in a helicopter? This probably shouldn't work, but let's see. Hang on. Gaining some altitude here. We need more altitude. Hey, this is working better than I thought it would. That was actually kind of fun. I'm just not gonna keep doing it. It disorients me. That was the wrong button. Hey, there's someone at the airport. Turn around. Bring it around town. If only. The helicopter had more gears than just how many it does. I could just shift up and higher, faster. That'd be the worst idea ever. Huh. What's going on down there? Oh my. Oh, dang it. Dang, son. Hey, Papa Moose. I was with that guy. Hang on. We'll join this guy, okay? We'll see what they're doing in this lobby. It's free flight guns, so I feel like I'm gonna get shot down immediately. Can't blame it. I mean, come on, it's free flight guns. Then again, you guys will probably get more entertainment than I will. Because I'll be falling out of the sky and you'll be laughing your heads off, so. What can I say? I hope my Oculus mic is the one taking over and it's not my other microphone. You guys probably can't hear me very well. Yeah, I'm using Streamlabs. It's so hard. I had to press record before I even got into VR. So, yeah. Whee! Lag. Dang it. There's no free helicopters. I get in this guy gunner. Man, I can't talk for crap. Okay. Come on, let me in. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah! Yeah! Okay. How you doing, pilot? I'm recording, just so you know.
Hello. Thank you. I'm recording, just so you know.
just gonna mute my mic. That's a little awkward with that guy.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Please don't cuss. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a little awkward when recording and you have a teammate that doesn't say anything. That's the awkward moments.
Yeah. You want to pilot the helicopter?
Sure.
So give me a second.
Or are you landing?
What? No, what the hell is going on with my... No.
Looks like we're going down. Well, we have an ex-pilot over here. Best pilot I've seen to date.
I don't know what happened, bro.
Alright, I'm pilot.
Sorry, mate.
It's okay. That is okay. Now I am the captain now. Yes, you can join. Or not. Let's get over here, set all these things up over here for no exact reason, but to do it. Feeling good. Let's go. Let's go have fun doing absolutely nothing but probably killing the environment. Let's do it. Can you hear me up there? Hello? Well, that's too bad. Also, in the comment section, tell me what SAS means. It's so annoying not to know what it means. I'd have a couple houses, as you do. Want to really see what I'm doing? Let me set up my camcorder while flying. That's a smart idea. Okay. Camcorder. Start. Alright guys, how y'all doing?
Missile launch.
Oh, good. We're being shot at. Cover. Okay. Yeah, I hope that's a good enough view for you guys. Yeah, hopefully it is. Here.
Right engine failure.
Right engine failure. That's
Engine
not bad.
failure.
We're going down. And that's what you call a distracted pilot. Okay, let me set up my camcorder before
Missile
flying.
launch.
Okay, I think we're being shot at again. That's... Here. I can't look any further. My wire. It's good. Hang on. And where is it? View. No, it is not good. And stop. Okay. Should be good. Nice. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Nope, that's the wrong time. Let's go. This time landing gear up. That might help a little bit, tiny little bit with aerodynamics and crap. Navigation. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but I have no hands on any. Okay, I had no hands on anything. I wonder what'll happen if we go inverted. Well, I already did in this video. Yikes. It's so hard to save this. There we go. Okay. I wonder where you put your visor down this thing. Actually, I know you can just use this. Yeah, right there, yeah. That just makes it darker. I don't like it darker. I want to see it in true color. I just named a song. Tell me in the comments if you know that song.
Altitude.
I got that song stuck in my head.
Altitude.
Okay, we're good. Yeah, no, that's inverted. Too low. Too low. Too low. We're good. We're not good. We are fine. Perfectly fine. I knew what I was doing the entire time. You know, I'm gonna turn this arm. There we go. Wonder if I can. Can't get a good block in this thing. Well, this is probably where I'm gonna end the video. Yeah, right.
Altitude.
That's where I'm ending the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. And, I guess I'll just, you know, see you next time on Tailfish! Okay, that was horrible. Yeah, excuse my horribleness. Goodbye! Crap, I can't stop recording. Crap. We're good. Okay, bye.